Hello and welcome to Programming Parrot. In this tutorial, we will be looking into understanding Python indentation. My name is Sasan and I will be your instructor throughout this course. In this video, we will be looking into understanding indentation and how to use it in Python. So, what is indentation? Indentation in Python refers to white spaces at the start of the line. In most programming languages, indentation is used to properly structure the code. In Python, it is used for grouping and making the code structured and more readable. Python indentation rules are very simple. Most of the Python IDEs automatically indent the code for you, so it is very easy to write properly indented code. There are 4 white spaces or a single tab character used to create or increase the indentation level of the code. Now let's take a look at an example. This block of code asks the user to input a number, and based on the given input, it determines if the inputted number is either 0, positive or negative. The variable called num on line 1 takes in user input. Line 2 declares an if statement. If the number is equal to or greater than 0, then execute the block of code highlighted in purple. If the number is not equal to or greater than 0, execute line 7, the else statement, which runs line 8 and prints out negative number. So if the condition was met on line 2 and is true, then the code on line 3 is executed, where we now check to see if the inputted number, num, is equal to 0. If it is, then line 4 is executed, stating our number is 0. If the condition on line 3 is not met and is false, then the code on line 5 and 6 are executed, stating our number is a positive number. From this example, on the left hand side we can see that the code executes and runs correctly as we have the correct indentation in place. However, on the right we can see that we get an error message once we try running the code. This is because we have not indented our code properly, and even the error message is giving us hints to as of what could be the issue. That is it for this tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Be sure to leave a like and comment, share and subscribe if you found this tutorial useful. Thank you for watching.